In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted chats on Instagram. The method is very simple, but you must watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open your Instagram account. At the top right corner, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it, go to settings, click on the search bar, and in the search bar type download your information. Click on request a download. So if you want to get all of your account data, including the photos, chats and everything else, you need to click on this complete copy option. But if you want anything specific, then you need to click on the second option that says select types of information. From this list, select the information that you want to download. I'll select messages. Now click on this format option and make sure that it's set to HTML. Go back, then click on media quality and set it to medium. Again go back and then click on this date range option, and from here you can select the time frame of which you want the data. I just want my data for the last week, so I'll select last week. Go back and then click on this submit request option. Okay, now your information is being prepared, and once it's prepared, Team Instagram will send it to your email address. This will take some time depending upon the size of your file. If you have a new account, then you will receive the file much quicker as compared to if you have an old account. So all you have to do now is to be patient, and I'll get back to you guys when I have received the file. Okay guys, welcome back, and as you can see that I have received the file. So open the email and click on this download your information option. Now log into your Instagram account. Now click on this download option. Once again log into your Instagram account. Click on download information. Okay, as you can see that the file is now downloaded, so open it and go to messages and then go to inbox, and here you will see all of your deleted chats. In this way you can recover your deleted chats on Instagram. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.